of my patients frequently ask me, Doctor, my scalp gets really oily very fast. I wash my hair today and the next day it's already greasy and hair fall persists. Hi, I am Dr. Pooja, Ayurvedic consultant and Panchkarma expert dedicated to skin and hair wellness. Stay tuned as I will explain the Ayurvedic reasons behind an oily scalp and external care with Culoria Chibula hair care products enriched with rosemary and shikakai can restore balance naturally. From an Ayurvedic point of view, an oily scalp is primarily caused by an imbalance of doshas, particularly Kapha and Pitta dosh. When Kapha increases in the body, it leads to excessive sebum production from scalp sebaceous gland. Excess Pitta increases scalp heat, stimulating sebaceous gland and causing both oiliness and irritation. To balance the Kapha dosh, जो कि oily scalp होने का main cause है, with all my research and study from Ayurvedic classical text, I have chosen Chibula, which in Ayurveda we call हरितकी. हरितकी के रुक्ष यानी कि ड्राई और लघु यानी कि लाइट गुण कफ दोष को बैलेंस करते हैं, जिससे स्कैल्प के एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोडक्शन को नेचुरली कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. इट्स एन एस्ट्रिंजेंट डोमिनेंट हर्ब. कषाय रस होने के कारण ये एक्सेस कफ और पित्त दोनों को बैलेंस करता है, जिससे स्कैल्प की ऑयली सिक्रेशन कंट्रोल होता है और स्कैल्प ऑयली होने से नेचुरली प्रिवेंट होता है. हरितकी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल हर्ब इन आयुर्वेद, known for its multiple health benefits. It has शोथहर यानी कि एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी एंड वेदना स्थापक यानी कि पेन रिलीविंग प्रॉपर्टीज एंड एक्ट एज एन व्रण शोधन एंड व्रण रोपन, मीनिंग इट हेल्प्स इन क्लिनजिंग एंड हीलिंग वुंड्स. इट इज़ ऑल्सो बल्य यानी कि इट्स गिव्स स्ट्रेंथ, मेध्य यानी इम्प्रूव्स मेमोरी, चक्षुष्य सपोर्ट्स हेल्दी आई साइट्स एंड त्वच यानी बेनिफिशियल फॉर स्किन. Along with all these, Haritki also act as a Virechan Dravya, meaning a natural laxative which help in gentle detoxification of the body and balancing Tridosh from within. If we talk about the modern perspective, Chibula or Haritki contains compound like tannins which are enriched with chibulagic acid. These tannins are what give Haritki its drying and contracting effect on tissue. Because of this astringent property, Haritki helps to tighten the hair follicle, strengthen the root and reduce excessive oiliness on the scalp. Now let's get back to the third step of hair care regime with Culoria, Chibula, Rosemary and Shikakai conditioner. Step 1. Hair oil. This oil contains key ingredients like Haritki, rosemary oil, olive oil, coconut oil and sunflower oil. About Haritki I have already discussed. Now let's talk about rosemary. Rosemary contains powerful compounds like carnosic acid and carnosol which help in tissue repair and act as hair follicle stimulator. It is also rich in antioxidant, promoting hair growth, strengthening the roots and delaying premature graying. Sunflower oil is enriched with linoleic acid which nourishes the scalp and oleic acid which improves hair elasticity. It also contains vitamin E and antioxidant that protects the hair from damage. Coconut oil on the other hand is loaded with vitamin E, fatty acid and polyphenols, all of which provide deep nourishment and help strengthen the hair and shaft naturally. Step 2. Hair cleanser. This cleanser contains key ingredients like Haritki, rosemary, moringa, baheda and shikakai. About Haritki and rosemary I have already explained you. Now let's talk about moringa, which in Ayurveda is known as shigru. Shigru is तिक्त यानी कि bitter and कषाय प्रधान astringent dominant in taste. Because of these property, it helps to balance the oily scalp and pacifies Vata and Kapha dosh, which are the main cause of hair fall. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties that keeps the scalp clean and healthy. It also supports collagen production, promoting stronger hair roots. Now coming to baheda, in Ayurveda, it has the property of Krishnikarni, meaning it helps to maintain the natural color of hair and delaying premature graying. Being Kashaya Ras Pradhan, baheda helps control scalp oiliness and being rich in tannins, it reduces hair fall effectively. शिकाकाई का वर्णन आयुर्वेद में सातला या सप्तला नाम से मिला है. ये कषाय रस प्रधान होता है, मीनिंग इट हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग एस्ट्रिंजेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. which helps to reduce the excessive oiliness secretion from the scalp. In Ayurvedic classical texts like Bhav Prakash Nighantu, under Naam Sangrah, the terms like Bhuri Phenum and Bhuri Fen are mentioned, which refers to foam forming properties. According to modern science, Shikakai is enriched in saponin, which provide a natural foaming and cleansing action. It also contains flavonoid and alkaloids known for their antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, helping to keep the scalp clean, healthy and free from infections. And obviously the best thing about Chibula hair care cleanser is that it is completely sulfate free and paraben free. Step 3. Hair conditioning. This conditioner contains key ingredients like haridki, rosemary oil, shikakai, baheda and moringa. These herbs are rich in nourishing properties that help restore natural shine, softness and silkiness to your hair. So that was everything about Culoria Chibula hair care range, specially formulated for oily scalp. So from now, I recommend people with dry scalp can choose Japa hemp seed hair care range, while those with oily scalp can go for the Chibula hair care range. I hope this video helped you understand how to choose the right hair care for your scalp. In my next video, I will reveal secrets about remedies, diet, lifestyle and Panchakarma therapies to make your hair strong and healthy. Trust Ayurveda and its wisdom. Stay fit, stay glowing. Thanks for watching.